Once again, welcome to Chart Check, where we look for stocks where there's convergence between fundamental and technical elements. Today I got two stocks for you. First up, InfoEdge, which is an e-commerce player with well-known portals like Naukri.com, 99acres.com, and these are certain spaces doing very well. The real estate space is kind of bottoming out, and with economy slightly showing signs of improvement, the recruitment seems to be getting better. Both of those are reflecting on the bottom line of InfoEdge in recent sets of results, and the market seems to be quite happy with the kind of numbers that the company is putting out. You can note on the chart here that the stock has been in an uptrend for quite some time. But then more recently, if you look at it, it may not be too visible here, but it is visible on the lower time frame charts, where you can find a rounding pattern formation and an upside breakout from the same. That breakout is well supported by very strong momentum, which has been persistent for a long time. You can see it on two different momentum indicators. InfoEdge also owns a host of other properties, Jeevansathi.com, Zomato.com, which most people are familiar with. And these are also properties doing very well. They own additionally about almost 10, 12 more properties, which are all likely to deliver well in the future. Market seems to be happy with the kind of prospects that InfoEdge holds out for the future, and that is why we are seeing this upward traction. From the current levels, InfoEdge seems to be promising an upside target around 1800 to 1850, which means that you could probably see an upside from here about 20% plus. So InfoEdge is the first of the stocks that we are looking at. And the second stock that I'm going to come to is from the auto ancillary space, which is Lumax Auto Tech. Now, Lumax Auto Tech was into lighting systems, but has diversified into many other products. So lighting systems actually make only about 30% or 20 to 30% of what they are producing. They are into a range of auto ancillary products, and here too you can see that the market has been very favorably impressed with prospects of Lumax Auto. It's been in an uptrend since about 2014. And what we are seeing on the chart, if you look at the extreme edge, you're seeing actually a breakout to the top side, and that is mainly having to do with the consistently good numbers that the company has been reporting. They count every major auto manufacturer, passenger cars, commercial vehicles, two-wheelers, tractors, you name it, everybody is their client. And this wide product portfolio range is giving them very good traction across the board. They are leaders in several spaces. It's an 8-month breakout of a consolidation, and that indicates that buyers are still there, and we can look at the stock to continue its upside. It's currently at about 200 rupees. I see a target at about 250. That is a kind of 20-25% upside from the current levels. So these two stocks for a buy.
Okay, thanks Dr. Narayan for highlighting those stocks, Lumax Auto as well as InfoEdge.